Do you remember these doorknobs? Do you have some kicking around? I'm going to show you how you can easily remove these and install brand new knobs.
And you're just going to start by backing out the 2 screws here.
These will mostly be a Phillips bit, so you just want to turn it to the left. And you guys can totally do this on your own. Do not hire out for this project. I'm just gonna actually use my fingers because I find this is super fast. All you have to do is pull out one screw and then the other, and your doorknob is literally just gonna pull apart. It's that simple for this part. Now let's move on to the latch. I'll show you how to do that. We're just gonna remove these 2 screws. Once our 2 screws are removed, your latch is just gonna pull apart. Now this is a different type of latch mechanism. So you pull out that, and then I'm gonna just pull out this one as well. Once you've removed that, you're ready to install the new one. Now this is really important. You want this rounded part of the latch plate. You wanna make sure that the rounded part here is facing into your door jamb, because that's gonna allow it to open and close. If you flip it this way, it will not work. So we're gonna install that now, placing it in with the flat part on the inside. So I'm just gonna install it now by screwing in our 2 screws. And you just wanna make sure that you get it centered and straight. Now that our latch is installed, we're just gonna take our doorknob and pull it apart, and you wanna install the spindle first, and this will go on the outside of the door, and you're gonna line up your spindle with this square, stick it through there so that it's flush with your door. And always your screw holes are on the inside of your room. So this is the inside of a bedroom, so the screw holes are on the inside of the bedroom. And if you have a lock, you wanna make sure that that is going in the proper way. We're gonna take our screws and put them into the screw holes here. And I'm just gonna get this started with my hand because this is a lot easier. I'm just gonna thread my screw in about 1/2 inch to give me a little bit of play. The hardest part of installing a doorknob really is just lining up these screw holes. You can just feel when it bites, when it gets in there, when it starts to thread. If you're like me, you might find it awkward to get your screwdriver in and not scratch it, especially if you have a nice one. I just throw actually a towel over the doorknob, and this protects the finish of your doorknob. That's what I do, just so that it looks nice. And then I do the same on the other side. You want to make sure that your knob is working properly, and you want to close your door a few times to make sure that it's latching correctly. And for more ways to make your door look even better, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.